Few words, we'd love that.
Oh, I have to meet a dost.
Oh, how
I have to
lovely.
start with meet a dost
Okay.
and say namaskar, namaste,
Yeah.
aap kaisi hai?
Have you? Is there any film you love watching where you sort of mouth along the dialogues?
Well, I should watch more because people tell me that's the way to learn it.
Yeah.
And I just started really taking serious lessons as well because the first year was so busy. But there are a few. There are films like Natu Natu I really loved.
And
but
the dance
also
steps
the
we
dance,
have.
yes,
Okay, all
I
right,
looked
okay.
at it. I tried to do it
Are
in
you a
slow
dancer?
motion. I love that.
Okay,
I love
amazing.
that. I'm a fan of your Kala Chasma song.
Oh,
Kala
wow.
Chasma.
Oh, that's a
I
deep
really
dive.
love that
That's
one.
a deep dive.
I really
Okay,
love
okay,
that song.
all right.
But I also am very interested in your documentaries, like To Kill a Tiger.
Yes.
I don't know if you saw that
No,
one.
but I do know of it.
Which
and
is
I think,
very profound on what's happening in a certain village, and also a clash of different justice system. I just thought that was very, very interesting. So much to explore.
No, but I love, Trisu, a note to our audiences as you're watching, check out the documentaries because we talk so
Yeah.
much about our films, but our documentaries just in the last few years have
Yeah.
really been receiving a
Yeah.
lot of notice and acclaim. All right,
Yeah.
Ambassador, thank you for joining us, and as you said in the beginning, namaskar, and thank you for joining us.
Babu Daiva.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shukriya.